Welcome to Full Stack PHP Web Development course. A full stack web developer is a person who can develop both client and server technologies. He is aware of program or browser technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and PHP. HTML lists. There are two types of list element being used in HTML. First is the unordered HTML list. An unordered list starts with the UL tag. Each list item starts with the li tag. The list item will be marked with the bullets, small black circles by default. Unordered list element syntax is like this. The second one is the ordered HTML list. An ordered list starts with the OL tag. Each list item starts with the list tag. Note that this list tag is similar for the unordered and ordered HTML lists. The list items will be marked with the numbers by default. Ordered list element syntax is like this. Test yourself with quiz. What is the difference between the OL and UL element tags? Let us try to understand how ordered and unordered list looks like by an example. First I use OL tag to define an order list. Then inside this I defined three list elements by list tags: company, contact, country. Now I will run. You will see it provided a list with the number values. So as many as lists are being added inside this list, its number will be auto incremented. I have added another list and it has incremented the start value and its value contents are added. Now let us copy this same code and use the unordered list tag and run the example and let us see what happens. Now this time it started this content with a little circle, and it is the default style which can be changed by adding CSS, which I will teach you later. And there is no numbering in this unordered list. HTML blocks and inline elements. Every HTML element has a default display value depending on what type of element it is. There are two values, block and inline. Block level elements. A block level element always starts on a new line, and the browser automatically adds some space or margin before and after the element. Two commonly used block elements are paragraph and division tags. Inline elements. An inline element does not start on a new line. An inline element An inline element only takes up as much width as necessary. This is a span element inside a paragraph. Let us try to understand this by an example. Let us try to understand this block and inline element by an example. First I will using a paragraph. This is paragraph. Then I will be using div. This is division. No matter you write those elements in a single line, the HTML browser will consider these new blocks. It automatically added some margin top and bottom of the paragraph and division. Now what's happened if I add a span tag inside or outside div? This is span and closing div tag. Now this due to this div, it will start from new line, but due to this span, it will not start the span word from new line. And if I replace this span with a paragraph, it will automatically go to the new line and will add some margin in the top and bottom.